Now here's just a little video how to do all the cursive letters, and we have covered every cursive letter at this stage. Our last one was the cursive Z. So the first one we'll start with K. So all the letters start from the bottom, K. Then you do a K again. These are all K based. The A has the C as well at the start. You see the pattern, and same with the D, you do the same start. And here you do the same cut as well. And here, so all of those letters start with this. And these letters are slightly different. Again, you start at the bottom, your lead in, down with the tail and up. Do the same thing again. We'll go back up to top this time, around and down. Back up, around and down. Same start again. Now these are the tall letters, so you start here and straight down. Same thing again. Now this one comes under your line then. That's a tall one again. So they basically all have the same formation there. Then your E, again you start on the line, up and around, the S and the T. Now these letters are similar. You start the lead in, and then you do this one. It's the same, but it has a tail. Oops. The W, then you've got, these are under the line, so, and again this one's under the line, and then we have got our X, up and around, and then we had our Z from last week. So that's all our cursive letters. So these first letters we did, they all have the C as their basis. These letters have the same lead in, they start the same. These letters all have something the same about them, they're tall. And these are slightly, a little bit different. These two are similar, these two are similar. These two are below the line, and then your X and your Z, and that's all our cursive letters. In the first video, you would have seen just revision on how to write the cursive letters. Now it's revision for your children, and it's just to show you how we do all the letters as well. You could use this as well as part of your going over your sounds. So I did say to name something to do with going on holidays, or places you'd go on holidays, or things you would take with you. It is much harder than I thought, so maybe it's an idea to work as a pair. So one person start with the first one. So I'm going to take a camera with me on my holidays, and then they have to say, okay, I am going to take oranges in case I get hungry on the journey. Okay, I'm going to go to Africa because I want to see some lions. Oh, Miss Gillespie saw dingoes in Australia. Maybe I'll just go to Galway because I can't leave the country. Go to Galway. If I go to London, I'm going to go and I'm going to see the Queen. I hope I don't get ill when I'm traveling. Oh, on the airplane you're not allowed to eat nuts. I'm taking my mommy with me on my holiday. Maybe I'll take my red dress, something like that. It can be as silly or as fun as you want to make it. Now just for today, the sentence is here is so I'm just going to do it here quickly. So here. And notice the way I have the letters close together. Children sometimes have a tendency to write like this, and they leave a space. They leave big spaces. Try to encourage them to keep the letters close together. Now, because I'm recording, I can't do the space properly. So is, and these letters should all be the same height. It's difficult when I'm recording and writing at the same time. Here is a. And mouse is our word. So I said 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what does mouse start with? Ow. And this is something we've been working on all week. Ow. S. Oh, look, there's another letter. What would it be? Silent E. So, ow. So here is a mouse. So, ow. S. Now we're going to write house, and it's a rhyming word. So, what does it start with? H. Ow. S. And what's here? House. And then I want you to draw a picture. You could draw a picture of the mouse with the cookie if you wanted to. So I'm going to do his head like this. One ear, the other ear. Whatever kind of eyes you want to do. I'm going to give eyelashes, little nose, a little smile. I'm just going to draw the body. I'm going to give him a long tail. It looks a bit like a cat, doesn't it? So maybe the tail shouldn't be as thick. And you could give, it does look a bit like a cat, doesn't it? You give it a cookie. Because if you give a mouse a cookie, you're going to want a glass of milk. So you could draw the glass of milk beside it. Or whatever else you want. So that's your writing for today. And that's the piece of work that I would like you to send to me today. Thank you.